It's time for the end of 2018 numbers and 2019 predictions. Hey guys, it's Kyle with the Whissel Realty Group in San Diego, and we are coming to an end here in 2018. Want to give you the numbers, the most recent numbers we have as we head into the end of 2018 here. And we're starting to see more evidence of the shift happening. So first number, again, we're always focused on the leading indicators. What's happening in the market today? Not what happened 2 or 3 months ago, what's happening today. What's happening today is you're seeing more new homes coming onto the market. We're up 8.9% from where we were the same time a year ago. On the flip side of things, the number of pending listings or number of homes that have gone into escrow is down at 12.8%. So we got more homes going on the market, less homes going off the market. Naturally, that's increasing our supply of homes for sale, and that's up 44.4%. Now, again, the media is going to latch on to this number. The market's crashing, there's a ton more homes for sale. But the important thing to focus on here is that the inventory a year ago was ridiculously low. It was 1 point something months of inventory. Now we're at 2.6 months of inventory. That's not a lot of inventory. In a balanced market, we normally see about 6 months of inventory. So we're only at 2.6, so we're okay, right? So don't get scared when the media tells you inventory is up 44%, because that's a scary looking number, but we're at 2.6 months of inventory, not so bad. Time it takes to sell a home, naturally with some of these other factors, it's up 13.3%. And again, that's another up number the media is gonna latch onto, but what they're not gonna talk about is it's on average 34 days to sell a home. An average market's 2 to 3 months to sell. 34 days is still a relatively short time to sell. So if you're watching this, you're trying to figure out, well, what does this all mean to me? First, if you're thinking about buying a home, especially those of you that are thinking about buying who've maybe been watching for the last year or so, it's not that same kind of market where there's multiple offers on everything, getting bid up over full price, and there's nothing for sale. Now there's starting to be, again, some more inventory for sale. You got some options out there, which is great. So you can be a little bit more picky and choosy about the home that you purchase and make sure that you really get as many things as possible off that wish list as you're looking for. On the flip side, if you're a seller, you're thinking about putting your home on the market, the opportunity is great. I don't know for sure if values are gonna go up anymore, level off, or go down, but I know we're pretty close to a peak right now. You know, we're right about there. And so whenever you're selling, you always wanna try to get as close to that peak as you can. And I really think that this is the opportunity for you to do it. So if you're in that scenario, definitely reach out to us. What I wanna do as well is give you my 2019 predictions. And so when we look at a lot of this stuff, what I really think is gonna happen here in 2019, I think we're gonna continue to see inventory go up. I think we're gonna continue to see the time it takes to sell a home go up. And I think we're gonna start to see prices level off. So for the year over year numbers, we're up about 7.4%, which is pretty much what we predicted last year. I think you're gonna see that number come down. I don't know if we're gonna be on the negative side or we're gonna be flat, but I think, figuring this time next year when I'm reading this off to you guys, we're gonna be pretty close to flat. So I don't think we're gonna see a lot of appreciation. I don't think we're gonna see a lot of depreciation. I think we're just gonna kind of level out. We're gonna normalize. So we should start to see that inventory get up around 5-6 months of inventory. We should see the time it takes to sell a home. It should go up around 2 to 3 months. So again, nothing to be scared of. This is a normal real estate market. We've just been in a crazy environment where homes have been selling in a matter of days or weeks and not months like normal. And we've been in a market where there's hardly anything for sale. So we're just normalizing. If you go back in time, 6 months of inventory, 2 to 3 months to sell is very normal. I think we're gonna head in that direction. So opportunities are out there. There's my predictions for 2019. If you want to get connected with us, give me a call or shoot me a text. My personal cell is 858-699-3895. Thanks for watching.